On a completely different topic, I was very concerned to read about this suit in the paper and on the patch today about this, about the Board of Selectmen being sued by a representative of the CTA to have the Board of Selectmen acknowledge the petition that the CTA has brought forward. I think we need to address this. We can't just act like this isn't happening and that, I mean, the CTA, near as I can tell, the issue is that the CTA did all the work that they had to do to bring this to us to get to a special town meeting. That they fulfilled the letter of, and the intention of the charter in their petition. They discussed it with their lawyers. Their lawyers, I mean, the Town Counsel at the time, Attorney Wells, said that it was a valid petition, and 5 selectmen signed that document stating that we would have a special town meeting, and the special town meeting was discarded on a technicality, because I had my own conversation with Attorney Bennett, and he said that when 5 selectmen put their signatures on a document, which we did, saying that we would have a special town meeting, that denotes an obligation, and it, yes,
that's not what he said.
This is what he said to me.
I got it in writing from him.
This is what he said to me. And
it has to be an
he
act of the
said
selectmen, and signatures
that
are not an
it
act of the
can
selectmen.
be a discretionary choice on the part of the selectmen whether to acknowledge that 5 signature item as being the pivotal element, or to have a vote at a selectmen's meeting.
Which we didn't either.
We didn't do either, but we have to do one.
No.
Yeah, we do.
It's not a
The
valid
charter
petition.
says that we have to do
It's
this.
not a valid petition. I got a dissenting opinion from somebody that's, he was not our town attorney. Town attorney was not.
You know what, we could just deal with this
No,
and
we
have
can't.
this over
We don't have
and
to.
done with. We do have to.
No, we don't have to.
We,
The lawsuit has been filed. I was gonna bring it up, but you already did. The lawsuit's been filed. It's pending litigation now. We shouldn't even be talking about it.
well, when I'm reading about it on the patch in the New Haven Register, that I'm being sued,
You're
and
not
I
sued.
haven't
The town
heard
is being
anything,
sued.
the
The town
Board
is-
of
it's
Selectmen
the town.
versus the
You
Board
cannot
of
be sued
Selectmen of the
personally.
town
You are
of
a
Clinton.
town agent.
It concerns me. I
You get
just,
sued all the time, Derek.
that's what you told me. I just want to,
It's almost everything.
you know what, I'm not on either side of this argument. I'm really not. I understand the benefits of a new school. I understand the benefits of commercial enterprise on the property where the high school is. I understand the colossal cost of a new school. Really, it's not my opinion.
Then why do you
either
want to
way.
bring it to a vote so badly?
All
If you want to see
I'm
the charter
doing-
so well, you would
all
understand
I'm
why would
doing
you want
is
to bring it to a vote so
wanting
badly.
the Board of Selectmen to acknowledge the charter that we took an oath to uphold.
We do.
Period.
The
That's it.
petition wasn't valid. We don't have to act on it.
That
Just
is
like the
not
5
what
other petitions that they
Attorney
filed.
Wells said. That is not what Attorney
Attorney
Wells
Wells is not
said.
the town attorney, John Bennett is.
He was the acting town attorney at the time. And John Bennett told me that, told me when I called him.
He said you could act on it, but you don't have to.
Right, he said it's
You
discretionary.
have to act on it.
But
Well, you tried
all we
it.
have to do is bring it up for a vote,
No,
whether to send it to a
we're not bringing
special
it to a
town
vote.
meeting or
We're
not.
not going to bring it to a vote.
That's all we have to do is put it on the agenda
No.
and bring it up for a vote.
We tried that. You guys asked to put it on the agenda. You asked.
And you took it off the
No,
agenda.
you asked to add it to the agenda and it got voted off.
I asked to have it put on the agenda and it got voted down. It never appeared on,
Then
it
you
never
asked to
appeared.
add it to the
On
agenda.
3 out of 4 agendas, it appeared, but then you took it off, which I still don't think you have any legal right to do at all.
Challenge and sue me.
Willie,
We want to
point
spend more
is,
parents' money.
if
We're
the
not.
charter says this is what we have to do,
It
why
doesn't say
are
we have
we
to do
doing it?
it.
All right, okay, I've made my
1995
statement.
State Supreme Court case.
All right, I've said.
Same issue.
I just think if the charter says that these people are allowed to do this, that's all
Doesn't
it
say they're allowed
is.
to do it.
If the charter said we all have to walk around with our hair dyed blue, then guess what? That's what we should be doing. It's not our
I
choice.
don't say we have to do it.
First Selectman report.
Okay. All right, but they did file a suit yesterday late. I got it late, actually, and Caroline told it. Stan knew about it before I did, because CTA sent it out to the press before I reported it.
That's inaccurate.
It did.
It's inaccurate.
Okay. They called me, and Stan called me before I even knew about it.
Well,
So
he called us
somebody-
before we put out the press release.
So anyway,
I don't know where he got it.
I don't know where he got it, but I assume
He didn't get it from us.
somebody sent it out. That's fine, it's turned over, I'm attorney will deal with it. It is what it is. Goings on. We have Bluefish next weekend and Family Day next weekend.